Life is full of challenges, but each struggle carries an opportunity for growth. The key to success is not avoiding pain but using it to fuel personal and professional development. When faced with difficulties, we often see them as setbacks. But in reality, pain and hardship can teach us resilience, problem solving, and determination. Think of the most successful individuals. They didn't reach their peak without overcoming significant obstacles. To transform pain into progress. Embrace the struggle, acknowledge the pain and understand that it's part of the journey. Learn from the experience. Every challenge provides valuable lessons that shape your future decisions. Stay focused on the bigger picture. Short-term discomfort is often a small price to pay for long-term success. Celebrate small victories. Even small steps forward bring you closer to your goals. Remember, progress doesn't happen overnight. By using pain as a tool for learning, you create a foundation for achieving your dreams.